The OEMTOOLS GM Torsion Bar and Loading Tool allows quick removal and installation of torsion bar levers. It safely releases and increases torsion bar tension. There is an extended C-clamp for longer reach, making it perfect for use with 2011 and newer GM HD trucks. It includes our new special Ford and Dodge adapter for universal use. Let's get started. Lubricate the pressure screw. Attach the torsion bar tool to the vehicle frame rail. Use the included adapter if necessary. Tighten the pressure screw against the torsion bar adjusting arm. For removal, use a wrench or ratchet and continue tightening the pressure screw to release tension on the torsion bar adjusting bolt.